In this video, I'll try to show you how to use Zoom with an Android device. When I say Android device, I mean a phone or a tablet that's from Samsung or one of the other big brands, but not an Apple iPhone. If you have an iPhone, there's a different video for you to watch. However, if you have a Samsung phone or something similar and you want to use Zoom, you start by looking at the invite that your coach will have sent you. The invite can come through email, like the example here, or maybe it came through WhatsApp or through a text message. However you got the invite, there should be two pieces of information that are important. There is a link, which is in blue letters and numbers. You can see the link here. This blue link will take you to the Zoom website. And then there's a number of 11 or 10 numbers, in fact. It's red here. If you got an email from your coach, it's probably red as well. It's like a phone number, but a phone number you can only use for Zoom. Okay, we're going to click on the link. So we're going to click on that blue series of letters and numbers. When you do, sometimes it will automatically take you to the website. For some phones, it will ask you if you want to use your internet browser. If that's the case, you need to click one of these green words here. Once you do that, once you tap that with your finger, you should automatically be taken to the internet website of Zoom. If it's the first time using this, you need to download the app. You can't, on a mobile phone, you can't use the website. You have to use the app. Now, to download the app, you need to press a blue rectangle at the bottom here where it says download from Google Play. If you tap that one with your finger, it should take you to Google Play, which is where you get new software. And there you can see it has the Zoom app, which you can install by pressing this green rectangle that says install. You click install, it will then take a while to download it and install it. You'll need to wait a minute. Once it's done installing, you can press the green button that says open. There you go, we're in the app. Remember at the beginning of the video, I said there was a number, like a phone number that you need to remember. You're going to use that number now. You click on join a meeting, which is the blue rectangle here below the circle, this blue rectangle here. Once we get to this bit, it will say join a meeting, and right underneath here there's a white box. This is where you need to enter that number that the coach gave you in the invite. For me, that means going back to my email to check what the number was, and here it is. Well, I can write down the number if I want, so I can type it out, or you can try to select it with your finger, and your phone should have an option copy here on the left, this word. If you press on that, it should have copied it automatically. You can go to the Zoom app. If you then hold your finger on that white box at the top, if you hold your finger there, it'll give you an option to paste here. You can also just type out the number if you think that's easier. Once you add the number, all you have to do is click this join meeting rectangle. If it's the first time you use it, before it lets you into the meeting, it's asking you if you agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. You have to agree if you want to use Zoom, so you can click I agree here on the right. It's then also asking me to give permission to use my microphone, camera and storage. It uses your microphone so you can talk to your coach, and the camera so they can see you. So you have to click the blue words at the bottom again that say got it. Depending on your phone, it might ask you for permission again. All this you'll only have to do the first time you use it. You'll click allow here on the right. You'll see yourself in a video, and you can click the blue box that says join with video. And then finally, the last step, you need to allow again to use the microphone so your coach can hear you. It's allow here on the right. That's it. You should now be ready to use Zoom and talk to your coach from here.